In this video, we will learn how to save a Word document as a PDF file. So let's start. This is my Word document, and this Word document I'm going to save as a PDF. Just go to the File tab and click on the Save As option. Then click on this PC and select your location where you want to save this PDF file. So I select here the desktop, and here Save As File type. I click on this drop down arrow and I select here the PDF, and if you want to change the file name you can change here. So I just edit here file name AI details and click on yes. That's it, your Word document is saved as PDF. So I just go to the desktop and you can see AI details. I just double click on this PDF and I show you here this is a PDF documents now. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.